So now that we've provisioned our service, we've got it up and running, we've shown that the service is provisioned completely, how do we access it and how can we perform maintenance and all the other types of things we need to do for our service within Cisco's Prime Service Catalog? So the best place to start is to log in as the user. So here we're logged in as demo user. We're going to go to Manage My Stuff. And then under My Stuff are all the services that you currently have in play. So here you can see that Jenkins server that we created. We can also see that we've got a number of different things we can do right here from Prime Services Catalog. So the beautiful thing is I don't have to have individuals connect to UCS Director or into VMware's ESX or the vCenter application. We don't have to do any of that stuff. We can really run all of the VM, the different tasks we're going to use to be able to, handle the care and feeding of the virtual machine all right here from within Prime Services Catalog. So we can power it off, we can reboot it, we can shut it down. We can also add different components. So I can add another network interface card if I choose to. I can create more disk space. I can do snapshotting, if I want to be able to add software and have an ability to be able to revert it. So all this is available from My Stuff within Prime Services Catalog. In addition, in order to be able to get access to the virtual machine, you can, connect to it via, if it's a Windows server, you can connect to it via RDP. You can connect to it, SSH if it's an appliance. There's a number of different ways you can get access to it. So let's go ahead and connect to the server itself and prove that it is up and running. So here we're going to go out to, go back to the browser that we have on our little demo workstation. And we're going to go ahead and make a connection to the Jenkins server. So now we can actually go to the Jenkins server and access that application. So this is how you would prove and be able to provision the server and then be able to access it afterwards. So that's how you would do that within Prime Services Catalog, and gives you the capability of the full lifecycle management of it, as well as being able to directly connect to your application. So everything's up and running.